Here you can see the finished part. I would like to show you the cutting quality. Hopefully the camera will focus well, yes, but I guess you can see it. The cutting edge is really clean. On the back side there is a bit of metal, but it can easily be erased. I have to admit that the plasma cutter cost me about $300. I get them really cheap on eBay. Normally a plasma cutter of that power is a bit more expensive, but I just had a bit luck on eBay on that one. So hopefully you liked that small tutorial in English, and maybe a few of you can get a few impressions of how to build a plasma table, or in general a CNC machine, for a really affordable price. So thank you for watching and see you next time.